Hello, how you doing? What you're looking at is a rice pie. So it's basically loads of rice and you can chuck whatever you want in it. We've got eggs in it, salt and pepper, pretty essential. Today I'm using chicken and spinach in there with a bit of cheese. But yeah, you can add whatever you like. Really versatile, feeds the family, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got there is 12 cups of rice. I've got a basmati rice, which I've cooked. And you can use a different rice if you want. What we're going to do is we're going to season it with salt and pepper. We're going to be fairly generous. And then we're going to add some eggs. Quite a bit of pepper there, Simon, but that's good. Now, for that amount, I've got 6 eggs. I'm going to beat them and drop them in. So I've beaten them eggs, nothing fancy, just a quick little mix. So 12 cups, 6 eggs. Now we can mix that up and go for it. You can use it just like that, but what we're going to do is we're going to add some other stuff in there. So I'm going to put in a teaspoon of oregano and paprika. You can change that if you want. I've got some cooked chicken here. I've got 3 cups of cooked chicken. I've got 3 cups of cooked spinach. And I've got 2 cups of cheese. I'm using this mozzarella here, but you can use a different cheese, a cheddar, parmesan, up to you. So change the spices, add some other stuff in there, like maybe get some tomatoes in there, a bit of onion in there, a bit of garlic, up to you what you want to do. Going to give that a nice mix. So you can use glass like me, metal, or ceramic, as long as it can go into the oven. You can see I've got some oil in there, a bit of tissue. Just gonna wipe the oil around here. Use butter if you want. And then we're simply gonna drop in our mixture and it's ready for the oven. So this is gonna go in the oven about 180, nothing crazy, for about 30 minutes. So easy, absolutely delicious. Some people would put a bit of cheese on the top here or something like that, or some breadcrumbs, but I'm going just like this. Nice, straight, easy. Got a beautiful chicken, spinach, rice there. So yeah, 180, about 30 minutes. Fabulous. There you go, 30 minutes, 180, absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. Now, what I like to do is let it just cool down a little bit, then we can kind of cut it up and serve it in a kind of rice cake kind of manner. Beautiful stuff, love it. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love. Okay, so let it just cool down just for 5 minutes. It's still hot, but it's nice and chunky. Cut it into some lovely pieces there. You can see here what we've done. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 big old slabs of that. Delicious stuff. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.